Eto na. Amores. Amores sa atake. Amores. Uy! Grabe naman mga... Grabe mga... Grabe mga labaw yung And you can see talaga kung ano yung level ng Jan Amores, no?
Oo. Ay, 3v3.
Ito, Amores once again. Amores taking things into his hands.
Oh, nice
Amores,
defense.
no good. Nice defense by Bragais from Timo.
Basketball.
Sports. Ito na. Jamaran. Jamaran from Timo. Oy! Oy! Diba parang lastik pa rin?
So we got an open three.
Totos with a rebound. Jamaran with a rebound. Nakagawan. Jamaran. Natapikan.
8-6 now on the scoreboard.
In favor of
Total Sports.
Amores. Kumira ng boss. No good. Amores once again. Amores. Nabitawan.
Ay, kumain ka pa dumados, no? Ayun. Binasik.
Ito na. Jamaran. Jamaran from Timo. No good.
Kumina ulit ng
Oy! Nakapukulay na naman sila doon.
11 na for Total Sports.
Tira.
Totops. 11-6. Malayo na ang score dito. Pero natapikan. Amores. Pupukul na dos. Bang! Alright, warning for delaying the game is John Amores.
Wala naman.
Mamaya.